Home remedies for nail growth. Everyone wants their nails to grow fast and strong. They add beauty to your hands. Plus, healthy nail growth reflects the state of your overall health. Nails are made of the same protein called keratin as that of hair. Fingernails grow faster than toenails, although growth is still very slow. On average, fingernails grow about 1/10 of an inch each month, but sometimes they grow even slower. Several factors contribute to slow nail growth. These include the aging process, hormonal changes in the body, health problems, chemotherapy, medication, and nutritional deficiencies. On the other hand, the faster nail growth can be seen among the children prior to puberty and pregnant women. To promote growth, it is essential to keep your nails well moisturized. Olive oil is the best when it comes to nail care. It penetrates deep into the skin and nails and thus help nourish your nails. Plus, it contains vitamin E, which improves blood circulation, help repair damaged nail and promote nail strength and growth. Before going to bed, apply warm olive oil to your nails and cuticles and massage gently for 5 minutes. Wear cotton gloves overnight. Do this once daily. Coconut oil. Coconut oil works well for healthy nail growth. It contains important nutrients to keep your nails moisturized and strong. It also strengthens your cuticles, which play a key role in nail growth. Plus, it helps cure hand nails, cuticle infections, and fungal nails. Massage your nails and hands with warm extra virgin coconut oil daily at night before going to bed. Massage in circular motion to improve blood circulation. Orange juice. Another remedy that can boost nail growth is orange juice. Its vitamin C content encourages the production of collagen and keeps your nail healthy. Also, it has folic acid, which is essential for nail growth. Soak your nails in fresh orange juice for at least 10 minutes. Rinse them off with warm water. Pat dry and apply some moisturizer. Follow this remedy once daily and until you are satisfied with the result. Lemons. Lemons contain vitamin C that is essential for nail growth. Also, it helps to eat yellow nails and gives your nails a nice shine. Prepare a nail sock with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Lightly heat the solution in the microwave and then soak your nails in it for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily. Horsetail. According to ancient Greeks and Roman herbalists, horsetail is an effective herb for nail growth. Being a source of calcium, silica, and other useful minerals, horsetail contributes to the overall health of your nails. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of the right horsenail stems to 2 cups of boiling water. Cover and allow it to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and let it cool. Soak your nails in this solution for 20 minutes. Follow this treatment at least 4 times per week.